If you're ever building a PC, just do it, have someone help you. I don't know, have more friends. Okay, I think I'm gonna break there because I spent 2 hours and I'm a dad. I got other stuff to do. But I'm very excited because I think it's starting to look like a computer and I'm feeling confident. Machi is gonna install the rest. He's going right in here. But yeah, I'll continue tomorrow basically. You wanna help me build? It lights up. You got it right away? Yes. Whoa, so smart. You wanna build a computer with me? Oh, the fans are all wrong. They need to be on the other side. Thank you, Bien. Finally, I learned how fans work. They blow. Kind of a genius. Oh, day 2. Feel confident I'm gonna finish this today. Very excited. There's gonna be a lot of cable management. I don't know why I'm standing awkwardly like this. Camera, focus on me! I solved my fan mystery. I just couldn't understand why, I couldn't understand which direction. There's an arrow. There's an arrow that points. There's an arrow that points the airflow. I was like, how can everyone just know? So that means I did put these wrong. I flipped them now, so they are correct. Or maybe at this point, I don't know. Maybe I'm overthinking it and I'm just doing it wrong. I don't know. I think the next, can you focus on,